To disable the iPhone auto lock, all you have to do is go into the settings, scroll down on the main settings page until you get to display and brightness. Tap on that and then scroll down until you get to a feature called auto lock, and then choose never to disable it. That's what I usually have it on, especially when I'm recording these videos. I have drained my battery a lot before, because sometimes I put my phone in my pocket, I don't push this button to turn it off, and it just stays on. And it can be a real battery drain, especially if you have your brightness up, like I do here, almost max for making these videos, so you can see stuff clearly. So that's the most important thing to keep in mind. If you're gonna disable the auto lock, make sure you turn it off, otherwise your battery is gonna drain pretty quick. And while you're at it, if you wanna scam proof your phone, this is the free PDF for you. I made this for you. It's free. Just download it by scanning this QR code or clicking the link in the description and the pinned comment. You can get access to this right away and then scam proof your phone this afternoon. So make sure you check that out. And if you want to make sure that your phone is not tracking you, this is all the ways iPhone tracks you and how to turn them off. So check out that video next. If you got value from this video, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.